Hello friends, welcome to the Mental Gym Chess Academy YouTube channel. This video is a part of the complete endgame course for beginners. Today's topic is how to checkmate the opponent's king with two bishops. So let's start. This is the position in front of you, and the step 1 in this position is we have to control the four central squares with our bishop. And how we are going to do that? White plays the move bishop g2 check. The king goes back, and now we play the move bishop b2. So see, with this we have completed the step 1. We have controlled the four major central squares. Let's say black plays king e6. And now the step 2 is we have to put our bishops on those central squares. For example, bishop e4. He moves his king, and then we play bishop d4. So we have managed to achieve the step 2 also. Now the step 3 is we need our king to join the party. So after king e6, we play king f2. We want to bring our king closer to black's king. King d6, king f3, king e6 and king f4. King d6, and like bishops are optimally placed, so we use our king to restrict black's king. King f5. Black plays king d7, and now the step 3 is we have to just shift our bishops little more closer to black's king. So how do we do that? By playing bishop c5. Bishop is controlling this entire diagonal. King c7, and now we play bishop d5. So see, we have just shifted our bishops, and the bishops are doing great job of controlling so many squares. Black's king has limited options to move. King d7, and now we just bring our king closer. King f6, king c7 and king e6. So we also take away the d7 square away from black king. King d8, now we have to repeat the procedure. Again we have to shift our bishops more closer. So check, king c8 and bishop c6. So the same thing happens. Now black's king has only two squares to move. And our final step is to bring our king on the a6 square. King b8, king d5, king c8, king c5, king b8, king b5, king c8, and finally we get king a6. King b8. Now we have to restrict the c8 square so that we push the opponent's king into the corner. So he has to go to the corner, and now we play one waiting move, bishop to d4. Now here, don't make a mistake of restricting black's king by playing bishop c7. It is a big mistake because this is a stalemate and black escapes with a draw. Play bishop d4 so that after king b8 we can give him a check, and when he goes to a8 we checkmate him with bishop c6. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.